That's not me, by the way, I'm filming. Because the air is so clear, the mountains look beautiful today. Oh, that's good. It actually rained more than I thought it did. So the garden is soaked. Fantastic. So I still need to tidy up this bed where the peas were, and I'm gonna sow a few beans, other bush beans, yellow ones. I actually found those seeds in the shed. I do wonder if the foxes are jumping into this area. I've got a runny nose, I'm afraid. So apparently it will be raining again later on at midday, so I have to crack on. What I want to do is I want to sow a few more parsnips, closing the gaps, because not many of them germinated. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Then I'll tidy up the bed where the peas were, and I'm going to sow these yellow bush beans. They're called golden. Is that all? Okay. And I want to fill a few gaps with the carrots. And then this is what I still need to do. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put them yet. The pak choi, the kale, and the Savoy cabbage. I'm going to direct sow them. Okay. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, well 11. Only 11 parsnips have germinated, so I'm going to sow quite generously now. I actually bought these parsnips when I was in London the other day, and yeah, tender and true. Let's see. First I have to grow. Oh my goodness, I just changed the camera. No, I didn't change the camera, I changed the tripod. And then look at this. Whoa. Hello. No, that's good. I'm going to cover the seeds now with some soil. I have some compost soil. I had to fix the gutter now, because down there in the middle it was sacking through in the middle, so the water was coming down there. Now this gutter is made of plastic, and I do regret having it now because it just seemed to expand in the heat and it doesn't stay in shape. So that is the problem here now. Might not be a problem if you only have one piece, but if you're connecting two pieces, then you might get a problem, as I did. So I had to fix this now. It's not perfect yet, but I'll have to think about something. So this is what I did. I found this in the shed, so I used this. This is fixed to the frame, not to the window. And I squeezed this one in so it stays up. And I have put some wire around here so it keeps the shape and it won't open up again. So now I want to do something about the end down there. So unfortunately some of the corn has fallen over. One has broken off already. Okay, try to save these. So let's see if this is going to help a bit and they won't be falling over again. Well, either it's because of either they fell over because of the rain, or maybe the fox was playing here. This is the lid from my blue water barrel, and I wanted to cover it for a long time so no animal can fall in. Finally I get around to do that, so I need to cut off the rest of it now, and then I'm gonna put a mesh over it.